I'm Dr. Colm McCarthy. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at St. Anne's Hospital, and I specialize in hip and knee replacements. Medicine is a truly unique field as a job in that every day I get to come to work and just help people. Every other job I've had, there's always a question of what can we get, where is there a profit index, but in healthcare, it's literally just about helping people. I primarily treat bony pathology related to osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Most of what I do is hip and knee replacements, where we're taking patients that are having difficulties living their everyday lives and bring them back up to the level of activities that they would like. In hip and knee replacement, this is not a life-saving situation. This is a lifestyle-saving situation where we get to bring patients back to the things that are important to them, whether it's walking on the beach, being more involved with their families, or just getting back to general activities without pain. Medicine's a field that advances only as far as we allow it to advance and as far as we bring it. So as a participant in the healthcare community, it's my job to bring the most recent evidence and the most recent strategies to provide a benefit to my patients. I think the most important thing about a team approach is that the patient's really the captain of the team, and people often forget that. So my job is to be the wind in your sails and basically be your first mate and make sure that you're not steering towards any rocks. And the remaining members of the team are to make sure that ship's running nice and smoothly. As a father of 3, my hobbies and interests are pretty much my kids' hobbies and interests right now because they're young kids. That being said, during my free time, when I get some time away from the kids, I like to do CrossFit. I think my most rewarding part of my job is when patients come in and say they don't need to see me anymore. It's really nice to know that I've made that big of a difference. You never want to see your surgeon too much, but I do love seeing you.